Today in this class we learn about conversion of fraction numbers into percentage and decimal numbers. First we learn how to change fraction numbers into percentage. Conversion of from class 5th to till 10th classes, in every class we can see this portion. It is necessary also. You should know, as a student of mathematics, you should know to convert fractional numbers into percentage. Today we study, we learn about it in detail. 2 by 5. You see, 2 by 5 is a fraction number. 2 by 5 is a fraction number. And we change this fraction number into percentage. It is very simple and you can easily do it. To change into percentage, we have just to multiply this number with 100. In this way, we can change this fraction number into percentage. When we multiply 100 and 5 cancel and we will get 20. 25 are 100 and 2 into 20 is equal to 40%. 2 by 5 is 40%. Now let us see more examples. Three by 10, another example is here. To convert this fraction number into percentage, you multiply this number with 100 and 10 and 100 cancel, 10 we will get, and 3 into 10 is equal to, it is 30%. 3 by 10 is converted into percentage, it is 30%. I am going to give you more examples here. Seventeen by 25. 17 by 25. Let us see 17 by 25 into 100. You can divide 25 with 100 and you will get 4 here. 4 into 17 into 4 is equal to 68%. Now one more example. 5 by 8 into 100. Now we will get, you divide it with 4 and 25, here it is 2 Now we will get 5 into 25 divided by 2. And the answer is 75 by 125 by 2 means when we divide 122 by 2, we will get 125 divided by 2, 6, 12, 5, 2, 4, 1, 62.5. In this way, we can convert fractional numbers into decimal numbers. It is very easy. I shall give you more and more work on the board and make you understand. It is very easy for all the students who want to learn mathematics in the primary level and junior level, because as a mathematics student it is very necessary for you to learn all these things. If you are not knowing basic things perfectly, you can't forward well, you can't study properly. So I am giving this class. It is useful for all the students of mathematics in lower and junior section of every school. More examples I am going to give you. More examples you write down. Four by 7, we convert it into percentage. 4 by 7 into 100. 400 by 7. We cannot completely divide or cut this number. It does not cancel. So we divide it here. 7. It is 57, 1 by 7%. You will get the answer like this: 57, 1 by 7%. We divide this number, both the numbers, with the 4, and we will get 25 here and 2 here. So 3 into 25 by 2. 75 by 2. Answer is 37, 1 by 2. 37, 1 by 2%. You see, another number is 15 by 33. How many percent is it? 15 by 33 into 100. We can cancel by 3, 11, and here it is 5. So 500 by 11, divide 500 with 11. We get 44, 60. 5, 55, 5. So we get the answer 45, 5 by 11%. More examples I am going to give you. It is very easy and you can do it without any difficulty. How many percent is this? 35 by 142 into 100. This number can be divided, both of these can be divided by 2. So we will get here 50 and here 71. Now 35 and 50. You multiply 35 and 50. You will get the answer 1750 and divide it with the 71. Now here we will make the division. 1750 divided by 71. 2 times 142, 33. And how many times? 4 times. We will get the answer 2446 by 71%. One more example. 72 by 22. 72 by 22 into 100. And you divide this number with 2, you will get 11. You will get 50 here. And we multiply 72 into 15 is equal to 3600 divided by 11. Now here we divide this number with 11. 3600 divided by 11. 3 times 33. 3 left 30. 2 times 22. Again 8. 80. 7 times 77. Remainder is 3. So we can write this is equal to 327, 3 by 11%. In this way, we can change, we can convert the fraction numbers into percentage. Fraction numbers into percentage. In our class today, we are discussing about conversion of fraction numbers into percentage. What is percentage? Percentage is a part of 100. Part of 100. Percentage means part of 100. And you see here in all these examples, we multiplied fraction number with the 100 and we got the answer as percentage. हम इस क्लास में आज भिन्न संख्याओं को परसेंटेज यानी प्रतिशत में बदलने के लिए सीख रहा है। आप सभी देख सकते हैं भिन्न संख्याओं को परसेंटेज में कैसे बदलना है। भिन्न संख्याओं को परसेंटेज में बदलने के लिए वो भिन्न संख्या को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। यहाँ आपको तमाम उदाहरण दिया है। 4/7 को परसेंटेज में बदलने के लिए 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो हमें आंसर 57 1/7 मिला है प्रतिशत। 3/8 को हम लोग परसेंटेज में बदलने के लिए यहाँ 100 से गुणा किया तो हमें मिला है 37 1/2%. Here also you see the examples 15/33. We converted this number into percentage by multiplying it with 100 and we got the answer 45 1/11%. In this way here there are so many examples given. All these are proper and improper fractions. I told you to convert proper and improper fraction numbers into percentage. Now I will teach you मिक्सड फ्रैक्शन नंबर्स इनटू परसेंटेज। यहाँ हम लोग प्रॉपर और इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन को परसेंटेज में बदलने के लिए सीखे हैं। अभी हमें सीखना है मिक्सड फ्रैक्शन को कैसे परसेंटेज में बदल सकते हैं। Now we study here conversion of mixed fraction numbers into percentage. How can we convert mixed fraction numbers into percentage? मिक्सड फ्रैक्शन मीन्स मिश्र भिन्न। मिश्र भिन्न को हम लोग कैसे प्रतिशत में बदलेंगे वही इस क्लास में हम लोग सीखेंगे। You see here, I am going to give you some examples. 2 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. 2 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. In order to change or convert this number into a fraction number, first we have to convert it into improper fraction. You see how we can convert or change 2 1 by 2 into an improper fraction. Multiply this 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 and divided by 2. It means 5 by 2. We changed it into improper fraction. Now multiply it with 100. You will get the percentage. Multiply it with 100, the 2 and 100 cancel and we will get here 50. 5 into 50, 200. 5 into 50, 250%. We can say that 2 1 by 2 is 250%. Now second one. Another is 6 5 by 10. 6 5 by 10 is equal to 6 into 10 plus 5. In this way we can change this number into improper fraction. Yani 65 by 10 into 100. We multiply it with 100 and we can change this number into percentage. This 110 cancel. We will get 10 here. And now 65 into 10 is equal to 650%. Answer we got here 650%. Third number, one more example. 10 4 by 7. 10 4 by 7. We first convert this into improper fraction, that is 10 into 7 plus 4. 10 into 7 plus 4. Divided by 7, so 74 plus 7. Now into 100 we can change this number into percentage. Now 7400 divided by 70. 7 we cannot divide any numbers here each other, so 7400 multiplied here divided by 7. Now we divide this number with 7. We get 1, 7 here, 4. Now we write 0 here, 1 more here, 35. 5 is here, 50. We get the answer 1057. 1 by 7%. In this way we can change the fraction numbers into mixed fraction. Percentage. Now we have studied how to change proper, improper and mixed fractions into percentage. Now I am giving you work on the board. You do them yourselves and find whether your answers are correct or not. अभी इस वीडियो में इस भाग में हम आपको जो है कुछ उदाहरण प्रॉपर, इम्प्रॉपर और मिक्सड फ्रैक्शन को परसेंटेज में बदलने के लिए दे रहा हूँ। आप लोग इसको परसेंटेज में बदलिए और अपने अपने आंसर को मिलान करके देखिए। मैं सही उत्तर भी यहाँ लिखेंगे। I have given you 10 questions on the board to make them into percentage or convert them into percentage. You do these works immediately and I shall give the answer also on the board and you can write them down and you can check yourselves whether you have done right or not. आपको मैंने बोर्ड में 10 प्रश्न दिए हैं, आप लोग इस 10 प्रश्न को अपने बनाइए और उसका उत्तर मैं बोर्ड में लिखूंगा तो आप लोग अपने आंसर को सही है या गलत समझ लीजिए. The first one you see, I think you have all done the work and I am going to give the answers here. 2 by 5 into 100, cancelled here, 40%. 5 by 20 into 100, cancelled here, so 25%. Okay, here again, 8 by 25 into 100, 32% here. Here again into 100, 15 by 22 into 100. We can divide these numbers with the 11 here and 50 here. And now we will get the answer as 750